Asafo-Adjei, good morning.
Good morning, Nana.
Ohuye.
I'm Adam now, so.
Yeah, ohuye. Kakra. Yeah, as I say, we are very munti. Kakra be found, but yabende we na ekoso na pinchin yabende. What do you think?
My position on some of these things, there, I believe, say, time has soon. And nothing the last been about programs, and I said, say, I'm not against small scale mining. The problem has been with how we come with our license without any regulation, no matter sense I see. Na nanum nyina na de omomoja konje Ghana asase to homaye.
Right.
Enti say agudie bi wum na ye nyina ye benya so mfaso a e was said the people of Ghana so enya the right over it.
Yeah.
But Ghana for na ye pe right over it no so ye ni abotre. Obia tam ne kra no akwa kogina ba bi was ha na gold no no wa ye ne basa na o senso na effect so e batima mu for kro na so.
Right. So
last time I met a couple of them and I was telling them, say, look, as simple as ABC. I had to say the more National Media Commission. Me believe that the approach to solving this matter should not be a total ban or suspension on all my mining activities. No, because your own crop for almost also boka machines are mutu a good year now. They reclaim the lands.
Right.
Omundi didn't ko be food. Omundi didn't ko so So the approach should rather be say. Why a bebo raw site or boom rasu saying su uni license uni documentation on adiana o yeno or your unregulated yampamo. But ye ba kukwa site nasa kukwa yen bibia within the remits of the law on saying su on say a fool on ye bibia utu amna o kataso or yen bibia kama abra any effect biawo. Yeah, sitting a then Akukwa should be allowed to mine. It serves as a good example. Say, the honor better no fear for the accommodation on the Cameron on. Obo said, me koto bulldozer no. Now for me tuna me katasuna me nyama sum jumadia. Why not comply with the law?
Right.
Then we are all safe. But Olampio munina boom dia. Then there is a difficulty. Because the oil right in wapam no, the oil wrong thing wapam no. Then it becomes a problem. Meaning what you say.
I get it.
It is a media. National Media Commission made them example. Your station almost sorry inside tribal sentiments. Your station almost sorry attempt. So ultimately can say because of stations be ADD attempt, you close it down all media houses. Nhyira FM na juma decently. So you allow Nhyira to work. Then it serves as an example. Say if you work within the law, you have your peace of mind to work.
Right.
Meaning say what you say. So in that light, but I insist say yentimi now Emma Brofo mefa ye former goodiem ko at the detriment of the citizens.
Right.
Na yewia yasan akose yesre omomuma ye loans, yesre omomuma ye grant. No mo de nhye yasan beto say oba ne oba nanawa amakwan dia ene mema no. What you say? That is my simple position on it.
All right. Now, Yambra was sway. They say a question, then a coso, I was scholarship secretariat. To me, and say, Obisia very transparent. Obia co-interview. Kama mentis Obia kase and Amitia at the Mudibi and Sana. Obia for system nimu. A cousin.
Enti said ya nano me ba me bowa maneno. Yebeya santimantemu Yakobuno, Yako a couple of the regions this week. You started Eastern region, you started Central, Upper West, any other regions. No, me no cause teams no grounds are or more EDBBA go akoma me nim say by this time be about saying ekobo 9 until me show say interviews are starting other regions na BBA course. So yeah, try mu say check. You better and say free interviews no na afi yeah selection, you selection na then you better start your payment. Largely no BBA course kama yente pinchen. Me science subi wa say Ghana Scholarship Secretariat yenje application fee and yenye sika bia. I've said it time without number. Enti mo amosori amoba me inbox mu na obi a create page bi wa waje usika. Me kan o TV so me kan o radio so. The moment obi be catch a scam, you should know it's a scam. And to now go now you don't come back to me wa me den.
Right.
I've said this time without number. Say yenji sika yenji application fee yenji fee it is free.
Yeah.
It is a obi ebe chato no ka say tua bibia. That in itself should tell you say nipa ne person was scamming.
Okay.
Meaning say what yes. Don't go and pay the money and come back and complain. Miss Remo.
Right.
Okay.
Mate. Now, bibi wo ho apese yehumahu nkrata bebreze o chen kwaku ba ko.
Easy.
En nkrata be no.
You see nana okay ah.
Nkofo manya scholarship ana.
There be men komodi amedi kan no obedi ye no. Na ya about. Me buy ne de me beto so.
Right.
Na eka de bubruja onim.
Na kelantua akra be.
Kelantua nyina ba mu na nse unhu se na US ne UK for twen abo so me no ka say only last 2 weeks was the last week crowd here. Your student back who got deported from UK. US for mitua ye payment and by ye payment na UK VI for say too late.
Oh.
Inti waba but the school no better issue cash for from an area apply for visa now.
Okay.
But me person who say mo ayedin we mistake to be an deported student and then yes sika no so sebe me this year I can't UK in 1 billion Ghana cedis, but my budget I mean for the entire year was 174 million cedis, and do 200 in po. And one I made share scholarship beneficiaries say we are here for na. And possible. And what yes? And one I made share Algeria, Morocco, Serbia, India, China, France, Germany, and even my year free. In Brussels, Sweden, lady be so Mattis on person deporting and my men in a bush for out. You get it. Let's say a local scholarships in Ankasawaha, UK, US, Canada, and one Sarah Kakrana me boss, and one I was usually solve all these problems.
Right.
And very challenging. But me will say year on year so. A buying a budgeter, my allocation to scholarship secretariat. The question is, Sikana na bas scholarship secretariat afibiano. How come say afibia a budget? We are supposed to work within the budget, but all of a sudden no. Sikana ya who kwaya ya fast wa ya said that use Sikana, but beneficiary so de ka. I came in secretariat na ma yedin say ewo amanone. And I may say Sadia. There should be an audit.
Okay.
And the FNA just the first phase of the audit. Yeah, audit no into Adebia Mihu say the former registrar created any friend short courses to UK.
Okay. Short courses.
Now interestingly no, so short courses no money company be a friend Crown Agents UK na no. And they neka.
Okay.
And no the kaba ku kra na ho. One city cry ya nika wo.
There are short courses.
Short courses and there ya nika wo da. But the can na the cat. Two shall say majority and I say a chunk of the budget na neighbor you push UK, but na enko regular scholarship beneficiaries in the but it was being channeled through this program
in the name of short courses.
If you see a financial, I'm mentioning what DB. Your friend BB or your scholarship regimes, but scholarship you are allow my ultimate dependent. Joining.
All right.
But the dependent policy largely depends on the immigration policy of the country. It has nothing to do with Aban. Because Aban as a state agency. So, for instance, if you UK for no more immigration policy allows say if you are on scholarship now with UK, what do you invite and how to me invite Oba and how to me invite Unyabi on condition say. Usika semi ye usu betimi accommodate o man bi ti say Canada o mo allow o man bi ti say US o mo allow me say Trump buy na wasakra media
Trump crowd was a name
and I was sakra media but I know of Canada I know of UK
right
but me akra me busuani me ma me mo last born ni kunu nya scholarship and no na government but they Commonwealth and no dey be fa me ma me keto no call UK
right.
The expenditure now the expenses that comes with inviting with dependents no has nothing to do with government.
And you buy the check.
And you buy. Me name so what you say.
So who the any say when your scholarship to ko. So also ko for obusun for and you buy headache.
Then a buy headache.
Right.
Who na kwadwo dwanto na who when your scholarship.
Right.
And wako tena bruche bia ko ye PhD 4 years 5 years. And I feel say awo ho enti wo behia wo yere. Ho kanfo na awon ba bibra washi so kakra na wo de akulu weda no
anya aban issue
den na wo se aban mum ene ebe bo wo yire hu ka se na kwadwo dwantoa esua de na disua na wo sua no ti me pese also I want to too much inti me bo ho kana akọ join na akwadwo dwanto na openhyeso a waboa na manahyeso. How is that government business?
And the work community ase e chese obi ye bia na
de akoso wo secretariat woni say ye ma wo na akwadwo dwanto scholarship a na ya fa wo yire na ya fa wo ma na ya ye omo as dependents enye dependents no kura na ya wo oyire ne wo ma no omo visa processing ni fees ye charge nyina secretariat ni na etua omo air ticket nyina no secretariat ni na etua na on top of that na ya san so twa stipend payment ay obi mu friend allowance say e be say tua allowance dia ma wo
eh dia na ekoso
na na kwadwo dwanto a mama ma example classical one ohun document
ha
we Nhyira me de be ma wakan but ope kra na start kan free we confirm no but on say score say document
okay score sec okay scholarship secretariat to whom it may be concerned the consular UK visa and immigration home office dear sir madam sponsorship letter Peter Mensah in about 1986 na say time I won Ghanaian passport number blah 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 gifty Efia or Mensah
ore kanko nana dwanto aka kanko.
All right. We confirm that Peter Mensah has been awarded a financial scholarship by Ghana Scholarship Secretariat to study LLM law at the Brunel University, London, United Kingdom, which commenced on January 2022. The scholarship covers Peter Mensah and his dependent listed above, and it covers all students' tuition fees of 17,875 and living expenses of 16,008 per annum. It also covers his dependents, Gifty Efia or Mensah spouse, living expenses of 8,160 thousand pounds, 8,160 pounds. Invoices and finance.
Okay, signed by who?
Kingsley Adjei, Registrar of Scholarship.
Tinana Jantwa. Oh, the near this can after Mammy Trum, Peter Mensah, no, gift you a worry. I no yet deputy
national service
director or national service, and I said, no, bar me.
Yeah.
On Munikum, any friend Peter Mensah.
Okay.
Now the mere fact say Peter Mensah no has been awarded scholarship. So on concourse LLM will Brunel Nintino. Yes, scholarship secretariat the Abansika. Sans was sponsor na yiri aye gift to a worry. Unim no. Yeah, the Sansikano SS sponsor which is 8,160 pounds. Convert the money.
8,000
Peter Mensah took one kusunya de. Na I was say ne yire gifty or worry Mensah join and said they buy awarding or betting assessment. How?
It's a buy nature.
Now that we your committee secretariat and say you bet you 8,000 pounds as I'm a gift your worry because or can you kununako Nikunanya scholarship.
Date
2022.
That's not a pounds in your best.
How?
Really?
And the memos in Naka, what we are now, maybe control how memos for approval of the monies to be paid. ACA
gives you Owari Peter Owari Mensah.
Peter Mensah, omu ticketing, any omu ticket cry scholarship secretariat in a toy.
Really?
Figures in a show 48,700. Yes, 48,000
from say all qua. Yebemano say stipend, you know.
Yes, they take it crow they joining the kuno scholarship secretariat in TI. Bonebe na scholarship secretariat aye. Na students ankasate ho. Yemtio mu tuition, yemtio mu stipend. Na omo 13 demonstration, but yaso obi ni na busuan 40 said ye American lottery program.
Wow.
Where just a tip of it.
So the preamble and they say and yes son was a secretary and
how is that a business? If I really sing we fan awo nana dwantoa. O ye lecturer. O apply for scholarship. Ye catch say o yire ye be say to ask allowance ama yire because ye hu su bi da. Because ukosua and woman be the president or Ghana have rank your bemans have privilege. No.
See, one person war year and now Busi and Nicoya won't have a boss.
That is your business. Minister that is your business. How is that the business of the secretariat? Nana Gantwa, give to one idea, say a kid. In some of the cases, ebi wo ho a senka obi ne yere kura ba ko pe na ekwa senka nya yewu ebi mu wo ho a na na dwanto a omo ne omo yire ene omo ma ebi wa nipa be 4 ebi wa nipa be 5 odwene ho a onti ase hwe na na dwanto a we o hwe visa application na 10 years visa ni wa no okoye short course for 2 weeks o
mbajo fabrami
enie
obua mamenkin kamadi
enie
mamenkin kamadi
gift allowance no your boy na 128,000
hey
as of that time na pound is
128,000 1.2 billion OCDs
yeah the man
adanya ni kunanya scholarship
sapra na pounds is
16 cities
what you say
na dollar na 11 as of that time
enti what am ba akoko ma me nkyere mu ye
enti say
1.2 billion OCDs
na the man no
yeah the man adanya
onko ka ni kunu
na nya scholarship enti Ghana aban ehu ni kunu ni so bi da enti gift your worry ye be ma wo so 128,000 na ya say twa take it ama wo ene hukunu nko na award no a waboa na ma na hye so what be that
but that time na wayi ni ho afrim so wanya scholarship secretariat adwuma na gift
national service why government appointee
national service
why government appointee
na me pese bi national
why government appointee
ma membra me hu ba ko be Mr. Daniel Mensah short course UK visa application for 10 years program here 2 weeks 14 days
for 10 years I say
okay. Now request for payment UK visa application reference to document attached in respect of the above subjects and the directive of the registrar to deal with the invoices. Vibe Consult quoted the total lowest of 17,200. Vibe Consult is therefore being recommended for your consideration and approval. So the transaction and details below. Mr. Daniel Mensah, short course UK visa application for 10 years. I don't get it.
Program here 2 weeks no. Yeah, apply for 10 years visa na mo bi.
Say.
And the na about trim.
O free Ghana ha na so be.
Na dey na about trim.
Short course 2 weeks in 10 years.
10 years visa. Meanwhile so the longer the duration no charges no cost lo.
Enye say bi anka ye PhD program kan is understandable.
2 weeks program.
Short course.
And a short course no na say 10 year visa.
And o mo apply into yentua.
I don't know travel and tours.
Yeah, me ba ma me die bi nka. Hey.
Na
debut. Including
enti ba bia sika no
abusia se wutimi a the other scholarship secretariat no Nhyira Asafo-Adjei Mr. And no pe we revelation wa ha na ne tofa ni nyina ne se na do dan kwa kufa do abran so owura Kingsley Ajiman na wo hwe so no enyoma bebre akoso a na emfa kwam sika ni bi wo ho a na emfa kwam na kwan yo mo fa so yusu sika no bra wona no mo hia sika no kra wo mu su na o share short courses here and no timi ko UK ya ehun nsem na ko ye bebre eno hu revelation bi na ye maame ye nua ba gift your worry no ye deputy
or ye government appointee e national service secretariat awo no betumi atua ne kunu anya scholarship so ko ye LLM nti Ghana ban e ma no allowance 128,000 Ghana cedis free Ghana ban say twa return a ticket man British Airways no akojoin ni ku say minim so mo contribution to your GDP no minim
na ye say wie ye no kra no allegation na ban ni chese national service no kra no sika bi kra yin share that account for
o de mam nana
we just thinking about
the sanhwe we
the usi the amount now boy no any
ketua o de mami really be nka ho
take bia
we o say we confirm that Portia Adudonyina has been awarded a financial scholarship by the Ghana Scholarship Secretariat to study BA Public Health and Community Studies at Coventry University.
Now you bi wa here.
ODTA UK. The scholarship commences on February 2021 and will end on February 2022. The scholarship is but the scholarship covers Portia dependent it also covers a cyber security blah 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 na hana ya na ehia me hano or say the scholarship covers Cindy Pearl, Chum Fenin and her dependents listed above. It covers all the ya fani kunu aka ho ya fani ma aka ho obu nyina ye besa mo allowance Ghana ban sika o na wo mo a omanya scholarship na anka obi anya liver problem 2 years nie e wo UK odampa so ontimi usua de bio owu not courses 2 weeks ya man 10 years visa busam so Ghana check here so aba
anti mo pa je muntimi trace wo
mu ko trace ni wan nana to a payment vouchers na tachire no yatua na
entina is what na enye ya
na wo de wo hwe ba ku bia mehu ya mebufu ye kra ba ku bia mehu ya mebufu ye ono na nya ho atra application the aba secretariat to hwa de o say I write respectfully to seek your kind approval for the purchase of a return air ticket from United Kingdom to Ghana. I am on a spousal scholarship. I am on a spousal scholarship beneficiary in the UK, and it has become necessary to travel to Ghana to attend very critical family complications and return to assist my spouse in taking care of their children as she concentrates on her studies. Wait. Obi a ono ye man scholarship ni bi o na yiri na nya scholarship you're trying to take it ama omoko but or say family issue as Ghana and you are tro letter the Aba Secretariat to say yes I should take it in manner no to be mla Ghana emehe family issue no na yire no mom dia on kosunsu ade say dey be ya na yire benya na sumdue na na dwantoa eni o Ade na wo say
twia ya twia fa ebo pa
ade na say
me course me ye me pesika kura me nya
nana
because we hear calculations na emfa
short courses 2 weeks yetua obi school fees £4,650 check it
how
2 weeks program
4,000
Okoye management development for executives 2023
management day
development for executives 2023
now we say me actually
2 weeks or yetua £4,650
your friend is saying
Hilda Afua aduakon champon
enti yembusan se wode beye den
ene menim
na nti wo ka so wunnim na me nti wase na na wo keka ka ne sen
me kan se
wo kan se wunnim dia wunnim
se short courses no na menim Hilda omukra you see the point is that short courses na e funny program it is a development I was developing future leaders we try dey send the
na we say symposium bi no
what I say we was a management development for executives 2023
how they acquire the
in fees no training fees £4,650 cost of living allowance £2,000 enti ono nko aye 6,000
mu hia me consultants
ono nko aye 6,000
mu disika
the way your professors intimi nkyere wa
there be
there semini
management development day executive
me se
na na multimedia for ya mo kwa mo charge say
nana
na say no anu mo chere wo multimedia
nana we ya ketua
management development
hey na book no so
we opa emodi penipa kro e man award
oh na den ndi emodi
ana na mi mbodi
bodino na bodino
aya na mo to de bia mo pese mo chere se
hwe nana yi
yes
we nyina ye spousal take it to aye tuatua
ye no ekunu no
oh hwe enie
Is Jamina
dependent of Porsche Dudo nyina ni take it no 36,000 Gilbert Boabi Chum
after scholarship ni nyina
I we say the omukunu num kwa kan mo until we 63,000
na emu wa na ye
de
we na ye month no mo spell na anye ya na sele okay
beba ebisa wa
na enyansem getu awo
na take it na mu evidence ni
ticket na ye twama
any to me metna ha mo mi trim say me twa ntro to obi so that the tickets were actually purchased
enti sabi ekuta mi
ekuro mu hu
na wo de me ba we nu fata kakra na ya wabodin no
edin because
wo de na na hwade wa ha we second sheet nana ya Nhyira Dwamena obi yire dependent where a Porsche Dudo nyina ba also onu so ni take it on say no ne ma 2 say 3 so onu so ni take it so on bill 28,000 Kofi Chum Fenin ni kunu no 45,000
na so no ya man scholarship ya say twa na busuafo di wo bro bi nso hia
abra obi so hia bi eno abia sanie
school fees are made to no nkofo school fees kura
enie
na £4,000 yetimi tia nkofo bebre school fees wo Ghana
okay we oti comfort obi yire oti comfort say we dependent on dependent of Frank Kofi Pinto ye na ye twa ticket na ma 34,000 so ena wo ho no do nyina Porsche ne baba ko ono so 36,000 so wo
say we yetua dada
oh yetua omo passport e net etitare ho
na say no the scholarship no the
because you see calculations no okay to say obi there 34,000 no it metia can we see school fees
enkwada be 150 credit me
na wo hwe we na me hu ya eno anage me hu ya na me bu afu we ya obi a ya ma scholarship
o say
wakwa kosua de na wie ai wo se nka ya bonde na wo so obaba to Ghana be sum Ghana ono no I apply for letter of no objection ama ya man no objection letter.
No objection nature say.
No objection nature say wasua de awi. E wo so obesum Ghana no. Wo se wo ma obesum Broni nti obeka UK ho.
If now we wait down the same ma.
Enti o ma consent say ka ho. Emesum Ghana. No mu ka say onka ho kra nwie no. Onu asa nya akukoduro ama secretariat no say tua visa processing fee.
Ode kwan.
Ode je ne graduate route visa atena UK ho no. Ye secretariat na say tua ma wono ne ma. Nana Dwantoa. Sanse munu wei ye ka kire hwan. Se Ghana aban sponsor se kosua de. Wo sua de na wie no, wo se onfa nimde ne mesom Ghana. Na emu de besum Broni. Secretariat no say okay tena ho. Na ne visa processing na fee no okotua san de age visa atena UK ho no. Secretariat no asa tua sa sika na ma one ne ma.
Wow.
Any graduate route visa application fees for students dependent in the person of Nana Kwame Osebunsu neba 37,000.
Na sika o.
Akwala na yinie. Akwala na passport yinie.
What sports here no we train for waba bako
waba so per residence permit.
Yeah enti yes tia hu scam on ne ma ne kunu. How?
Eni age atum.
Eni Nana Janto eni akwala na yine da ho no. Eni edoso. Edoso ye time aso. Hey,
say we you there because in some
mama can say mchero nana you know me too well.
Now we say Kobi nkwa 19,000 pounds
nana mama ma news na
15,000 ebi wo betimi atua na wo so ye MP na wo ntimi ntua wo ye minister wo ntimi ntua ye betimi atua
minister wo ye needy
minister
wo ye needy minister ye needy e wo kromo awe minister ye needy wo kromo ha
di ba na
scholarship for the needy no minister ye needy
akwa we nkwa din die wo de ubi asende mami ye de beto we mu nyina kwaji bi MP
na wo ye minister kra we be di MP asa ye minister wo ye needy I say the Ghana scholarship ma
mutimi nye sika MPs mutimi nye sika etua bribe ma delegates. You are telling me say who nye sika nkoye wo PhD in energy petroleum and mineral o de ne di no ma menfanto
na Dwantoa na obusa say there na me ya fa no say Richard Osuba no say chiwo mo
because mo kan say ya na yeah
last week tie me last week bia na be chiwo mo
sir
last week bia na ebe chi nipa miensa in relation to this
we know
yes but the entire amount for our news is because they are civil servants.
Okay.
So what I say, they are civil servants.
Yeah.
And I don't want to put them out there. And the investigations no go so. So I want to be eko. So I want to be eko. Obi kura the order from Thursday ekusi Monday.
Na wan ganche.
Back them from Thursday ekusi Monday.
Issue no.
Because e chi om de do mu kom fie. Hwe ye nya official documents e wa manfo fie.
Good news.
Ye nya letters a drafter ye de memidi ahya ase abra meminim. Draft letters a amanfo aye de memidi ahya ase go menya
that's ye adwuma.